Hello, welcome to my channel, Supercar Sunday. So I'm just going to do a quick video today because I keep getting asked when I'm going to do another update on my dtr125 project. So I'll do a quick video, I'll just show you the progress and where we're at with it today. So far, as you can see, I've got the frame painted, I've got the swinging arm painted, grease there, so I've got it all together. That spring was in quite poor condition, so I've reconned the spring, the rear shock there, a new battery, put the airbox in, the rear mudguard that's painted. Got one of these rear light units and number plate holders, so it's got new tyres on it. I've cleaned up the wheels, they've come up quite good, the spokes, so that's just loose there, put together in there, loose, all greased up, ready for the engine. The tank, obviously that was in poor condition. I did a video of how bad that was, cleaning it up, stripping it back, filling it and repainting it. So the front wheels the same, that's the new tyre in there, I've cleaned that up. Painted the forks, they're in poor condition. Put some covers on. There's a new ignition there, new bars. So that's DT stock up there. I've got a load more stock as well. So there's plenty of stock. The engine's here in bits. So I'm waiting on bearings coming. Got a bearing coming from Fowler's, a small bearing. I totally forgot where to get some of these bearings from. I was just talking to another user that's got a channel on here, does lots of DTs, two-stroke MX Classics. He reminded me on that to get them from Fowler's. So the one I wanted was this one here. So I've got that one coming. Obviously I welded this casing because there was damage to the casing. I've welded that up. I might have to do a little bit more shaping for the outer cover to fit. So that's the engine. So once I get those bits, I'll be putting that back together. And that's it really. That's as far as I've got. I have been on with other projects. My BMW E30. Trying to source some parts and put a plan together to do the GTI conversion on the T25 VW camper, and also lots of my other work, customers' work, bumpers, bodywork, and I bought another bike. I just can't stop buying them. So this is going to be, I'm going to use this through the summer, just a bit of fun. I'll do another video on that anyway. I'll do some more videos on that, tidying it up, getting it tested, registered, and on the road. So that's a quick update for you there on the dtr125 project. I think I have some footage of actually doing some paintwork and some more of the repairs, so I'll probably do another video of the actual work I did, a little video put together of that extra work that I did there on the bike, and I'll get back to you with another video with further progress. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, please like, hit the bell. Thank you very much, thanks for watching.